from Anker. This is a nice constellation. Whoa. I should have went for the black one. What? Holy moly. Holy moly. Oh, I went for the white one. I should have gone for the black one. Jack. Okay, type C for charging. Let's see. Okay, now it's just simple. Really simple. Nothing too fancy. The design. Anker. Okay. Yeah. I went for the white one. Did you see I have done? Did you see I have done? Come in the black one and leave it the white one. Did you see I have done? Shit. Listen, this isn't really pretty. I'm not going to lie. This is pretty. Oh, there, Anker logo right there. NC power switch type C, volume, pause and play, volume up, volume down. Okay, let's power it up. Let's see. Okay, well, let's see.